What's up, guys? Today we're going to be fixing the bathtub tap over here. So this is a very important video you should watch if this tap doesn't work. Let's get to it. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you what to do when water keeps flowing and it doesn't stop. So open, close this, and it's still going, it's still flowing. Now no, close it. And it's still flowing. Whatever water system doesn't work, you have to turn off the main line. So then you have to start doing your work. Yeah, guys, in this house, this is the main water line. In this house, this main water line is in the basement. In other houses, it's in the garage or any other places in the house. So now it's turned on, so now we're gonna turn it off. So when you turn this, you can see a little screw there. You have to remove the screw so we can take the handle off. Set off keys to get the handlebar off. So I'm going to choose this set off keys today. Just take it out, stick it in, and boom. We got two pieces into one piece. One piece. So we're gonna take it out, and there we go. We took the handle off this screw here, and today I've used the cross driver to take it out. So now I use the cross screwdriver to take this screw out. And then now I'm going to take this plastic socket out. Put it here and take this out. And take this. Just to do this twice. So for this one. I took out both of the screws, and I'm going to take the cover off. Now, after you take this off, you have to take this thing off. And now, as you can see, there's a lock here to take out. As you can see, so we're going to use this little screwdriver to take this lock out. So guys, this is a replacement part for that over there. So how are we going to pull it is with this. I'm going to be pulling the old part out. Voila, guys. This is how it looks like. This is a replacement store I bought at a hardware store. You can buy this at any hardware store, Home Depot, or Home Hardware, or any hardware store that there is. So, this is the part. We have to put the liquid here. So this is the oil. We're here to put this in here so it gets smoother. So now I'm gonna put this oil in here and put it on the other side. So inside here, there's an instruction manual. It's in French and it's also in English. This is the front side. Before I put the new part in, I just need to clean it. The HC logo here has to be in the top. And the two rubber have to be in so they don't fall out. So now I'm gonna put the lock in. And now put this part in. Now you're gonna be putting this piece, the headpiece, there. So on the hot and cold instruction, I'm gonna put the long nail back in. There's the two pieces here that we're gonna connect them really good. And then put this piece. So I'm gonna be screwing this little screw in this hole with a screwdriver. Now we're going to be putting the handle and the screws back See guys how the handle is working really smoothly. So to show you, I'm gonna turn on the main line and then let's see if the water is good. This water is working so smooth and perfectly that this works really well. So guys, this is a small thing, but it is really important thing. If this doesn't work and you only have one washroom, then you can't clean yourself, and this was perfect. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below how the video was, and if you watch this video when you do it, comment down below if it turned out really good or if it doesn't work. And like, see you guys next time. Goodbye!